DDT was first synthesized in 1874 and was used with great success in the second half of World War II to control malaria, typhus, body lice, and the bubonic plague among troops. After the war, DDT was made available for the use as an agricultural pesticide, causing the production to skyrocket to a worldwide market. Due to DDT being so cheap to manufacture and effective, it quickly took over the market, even being used in buildings for pest control. But as more and more DDT was released into the environment, severe health effects could be seen as a result of bioaccumulation. DDT accumulates in the bodies and is amplified with each trophic level. Many predatory birds were heavily impacted by DDT impairing eggshell quality, as well as causing impaired reproduction in many species of fish and other aquatic animals and increasing insect resistance. A large public outcry eventually led to DDT being banned in 1972, causing for agricultural use to be banned in most countries. Although DDT's health effects, it is still manufactured in India and is used today as a disease vector control for diseases such as malaria. It is also used as a pesticide in some countries. DDT is a white crystalline solid, tasteless, odorless, and is hydrophobic, nearly insoluble in water but has good solubility in most organic solvents, fats, and oils. DDT does not occur naturally but is produced from a reaction of chloral and chlorobenzene in the presence of sulfuric acid, which acts as a catalyst. Commercial DDT is a mixture of several isomers. The most abundant is at the top of the page. The last of the mixture is made from broken down DDT known as metabolites. These metabolites are DDD and DDE. People are exposed to DDT, DDE, and DDD mainly by eating foods containing small amounts of these compounds. Even though DDT has not been used since 1972, soil can still contain small amounts of it under certain conditions, as well as imported foods may have been directly exposed to DDT. DDT, DDE, and DDD do not enter the body through skin very easily and therefore is mostly consumed through our digestive tract. Once inside the body, DDT can break down to form DDE and DDD. These compounds are stored most readily in the fat tissue. Once absorbed in the body, the liver slowly metabolizes these chemicals over time, converts them to water-soluble compounds that are excreted in the urine. Eating foods with large amounts of DDT over a short period of time mostly affects our nervous system by altering actions potentials through changes in the actions of sodium channels. It causes them to close very slowly and prolongs each action potential sent in the nerve. This causes excitation, spasms, and paralysis. These effects on the nervous system went away once exposure stopped. Although there is no direct link regarding endocrine disruptors, the androgen hormone, it is still believed that through animal testing that the metabolite DDD acts as an anti-androgen in humans. This is done by DDE binding to the receptor's active site, blocking the androgen hormone in males from being expressed. This causes abnormal development of sex organs by affecting the development of maturation and the reproductive system. The endocrine system is similar for all vertebrates, so it is believed what happens in laboratory rats or Arctic polar bears closely resembles what happens in the human body. The studies in animals have shown a close correlation between exposure to hormone disruptors, which results in birth defects that include deformed reproductive systems, reduced fertility, impaired mental development, learning difficulties, hyperactivity, clear cell cancer, and compromised immune system. In general, most families will be exposed to DDT by eating foods or drinking liquids contaminated with small amounts of DDT. Several steps can be taken to reduce the amount of DDT, DDE ingested in these ways. First, cooking reduces the amount of DDT in fish. Also, because most food crops do not uptake DDT from the environment at levels of concern, washing fruits and vegetables prior to consumption will remove majority of the residual levels that may be present. Finally, it is not always possible to determine where food in the supermarket comes from, but it is possible to follow health advisories that tell you about the consumption of fish and wildlife caught in areas known to be contaminated where DDT, or where DDT is applied as a part of crop production.